What's up my lovely people? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. बॉस गर्मी ने बेहाल कर दिया है इतने दिनों से और क्या करे गर्मी में ये सोच सोच के हम परेशान हो गए बट शेफ ईरा has come up with a solution. क्या solution है देखते हैं. Let's go. Okay, here we go, Miss Ira. What are we doing today as special?
We are making popsicles.
My God. So we have got Disney popsicle maker or whatever this is. I don't know. So we have our popsicle ready and we have some ingredients ready. Ira काय काय सांग पटकन चल.
We have maga,
Okay.
some iced tea,
Okay.
and a watermelon juice and some watermelon.
Lovely.
slices.
So how are you making it? Come on, show it to people. What are you making? Okay, you're gonna add maza to. Okay. Simple idea, is it?
Yeah.
Bas. Make two more. Make one more, huh? Wow. Which is the next one?
Then we are gonna put this inside.
Yeah, put it. Do it. Your ice cream ideas. Yeah, not in maza. Not in maza, but
Yes,
in.
maza.
Okay, you can put it in maza also.
Yes, we can.
It's okay.
We can put it in maga.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were gonna put it in watermelon juice.
I'm also gonna
But put it in the other other one.
Hello?
The empty one, not in maza. The other one. Yeah. Full kar dala. Mm-hmm. In the next one now. In the next one now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely. Why not? So we've got two regular mazas, one maza with watermelon, and two watermelon regular. I don't know how maza and watermelon are gonna taste.
That's for mama.
Okay, I will put watermelon juice in this.
Yes. Can I put this?
No, I'll put it. Wait. Ooh.
That one.
Excellent. Now, what's the next one?
The next one is.
Iced tea. Did you just take my iced tea? Okay.
Yes, I took it.
Full नको भरोस. बस. That's it. Okay. Come on, now let's put the handles. Sticks. Wow.
That does not do.
No, that's not going properly.
Everyone you have to put. Every single one you have to put.
Oh, this looks nice.
And two regular ones.
Okay, come on, let's take it to the refrigerator. Hold it properly, it's gonna be heavy.
It's not.
And how much time, Chef Ira, is we gonna put it in the freezer?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes.
Okay, I will help you. हाथ का thumb.
I can do it.
No, you cannot do it because you cannot put it. You cannot reach there. Okay, so our popsicles are ready in the refrigerator. I've been put in the refrigerator being set. बाकी आम्ही जेवल्यानंतर तुम्हाला भेटतो कसं how is it tasting, right?
Yes.
All right. Oh wow, it took us another about 7 hours. 7 घंटे बाद ice cream is ready or no? We will see. Now the moment of truth वाला moment. If it's gonna come or no, Ira.
Yes, it's gonna.
Yeah. इकर दात कुठे गेले? खाणे ready. This is because of ice creams only. Okay. Let's start. Okay.
Can I?
No wait.
One you can do. First one.
Ooh. Which is that one?
Iced tea.
This is iced tea. I know. Give it back. Wow.
The next one.
ती पण iced tea असणार ना इरा.
Iced tea. Next one.
Pull it. Now my card. Wow, watermelon lolly is my lolly, na? That is our competition, na? By the way, this is what I have made,
Yummy.
and that is maza.
That's mine.
Wow, watermelon.
And this was Mala with watermelon.
Ira, hold them in your hand. All 2, 3.
Only two. All different color.
Here.
Two more. In the
2 more. हे घे तिसरी पकड बस झाली. Tamira, don't do that.
It's getting colder.
Yes.